DecoNetwork is proud to announce that the Conde Systems catalog is now live. For this video, we'll be showing you how to enable the new catalog within your DecoNetwork account. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is click Product from your left navigation. After that, go ahead and click Select Catalog. Once you have your catalogs page pulled up, actually scroll down to the bottom and that's where you're going to find the new Conde Systems catalog. Make sure to tick that box on and then click Save. Once your products are done loading, go ahead and click Continue and you'll automatically be taken to your main products page. To confirm that the Conde Systems catalog has uploaded successfully, go ahead and click Advanced Search on the top of the page here. Then under Supplier, click the drop-down menu and select Conde Systems. All right, once selected, it's going to automatically populate only the Conde Systems products. And if you scroll down, you can confirm each and every one that has been uploaded. To ensure that the new Conde Systems catalogs are working properly on your website, there's a couple other things you need to do first. From your left navigation, go ahead and click on Decoration Processes. Then for each one of your decoration methods, you can actually go into it and click Smart Select Rules. I'm going to start with DTG printing. Once you have Smart Select Rules pulled up, scroll to the bottom of that page and make sure you have under Weave, make sure to tick on the other tick box. Once that is ticked, go ahead and click Save. Once that is done saving, what you'll basically want to do is repeat that process for each one of your decoration methods. Okay, so there's only one more step to getting your products ready. From your left navigation, click on Products, then click on Decoration Areas. And what we're going to do in this stage, we're going to make sure that all the new custom decoration areas for these new products are enabled. That way you can offer them on your website and your customers can begin to apply their own customizations on them. On this page, scroll to the bottom and find non-apparel. Make sure non-apparel is ticked on. Next, click on Edit for non-apparel. And from the pop-up box that you're going to see, scroll through the different options there and make sure that they're all ticked on as well. If you see any decoration areas that are not ticked on, go ahead and tick them on. Once you're done making those changes, go ahead and click OK. And on the following screen, make sure to click Save to save the new settings. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the front end of the website, and I'm going to click on Create. That's where I've set up my blank products to be displayed. And if I scroll to the bottom, I'm going to see the new products enabled on the website. So this will be your final confirmation that you did successfully upload the new Conde System products onto your website. And that's it for this video. But once again, DecoNetwork is proud to announce that the Conde System catalog is now live. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.